Hi there. In this video we're going to put together a Christmas card. I'll provide the design space file, which you'll need Cricut access in order to cut it. I'll share it on my blog or my website, and I'll link it in the description down below. So let's get into it. Let's see how it goes. Okay. I was going to cut the card, well, I did cut it out of, I cut the Cardinal out of red glitter cardstock, but you can see the white. And some of the places where the glitter came off, it is white. I didn't like that. So I cut it from, shimmer paper. And along with the back image of the Cardinal is shimmer paper or shimmer cardstock. All right. This card has quite some layers. It's got quite a few layering layers. And I didn't cut my card base. I forgot to, so it's just going to be the card front. Alright. So let's put the Cardinal together first. There. Put it in there before. Alright. So let's put glue on the back of the Cardinal. Then make sure I got it the right way. Okay, I do. Keep getting too much out. I'm just going to put dots. Because there's so many cutouts. Alright. Well, got my other tweezers busy. I'll use my Cricut tweezers. Alright. So that's what it looks like. All nice and sparkly, shimmery. Alright. I'm going to use my Spectrum Noir crystal clear shimmer pen on the berries. I didn't want them to be the same color as the Cardinal, so I cut them out of regular cardstock. Alright. I'm going to use it again in a minute when I get to the snow. So, put the bird's beak on, which I cut from a matte, it's not going to focus, gold foil. Got glue on my hands. beak's almost where it's supposed to be. There we go. Now he's shimmery and golden. Alright, next we're going to do the branch, which has these little pieces of snow that goes on it. So the snow, I'm looking at it on my screen on my computer to know where the snow goes. Alright, there's the first snow mound. And then the second one. Trying to get in frame. There's little ridges or like bumps looking. See right there one goes and then one goes right there. Alright. Mine were flipped over backwards. So yeah, alright, that's the right way. Okay. Take some of that glue off. Got that one in the right place. Alright. Too much glue. I think I put too big of a nib on my glue bottle. Alright. And then the berries. Okay, so I'm gonna not color. I'm gonna add shimmer to the snow. You won't be able to see it on camera. Really, it's just a shimmer, and it's pretty. Just add some dimension. Alright, let it dry. Okay, next is the card layers. So I made it to where it was like triple, double or triple matted. And the first piece is like the Cardinal, then the matte gold, then craft cardstock with the sentiment, then brown cardstock, and then a printed pattern. Okay, let's glue it all together. So I'm going to glue the gold to the red layer. Keep getting glue on my hands. It's not good when you got foil paper or cardstock. Okay. Alright, where'd my brayer go? There it is. So I'm brayering it down. Got some glue right there. It'll be fine. It's curling because I took it off my mat like that. So I couldn't wait for it to just pop off. Okay, and then this goes into the center, the sentiment piece. All right. Moved it a bit. It's because it's on foil cardstock, so it's going to keep moving until it actually grabs. All right. And then we have these two pieces, which go into the center again. It's not a lot of layers. Just looks like it is. Let's see if it's crooked. Yeah, it's crooked. It's as good as I'm gonna get it. This piece has a really small border around it. I mean, a really thin border. So there we go. Yeah, it looks okay. I wish it'd quit curling. Next is the branch. Then the branch hangs off the side a little. And then the bird, the cardinal, goes right my branch is too high up. Alright, let's peel it off. Alright. I might need to put more glue on it. That's much better. Okay, so the Cardinal goes right there. I'm going to put pop dots on them, or foam adhesive tape. Foam adhesive squares, not tape. Alright. Alright. So that's the finished card. All the shimmer and gold. Like I said, I'll link to my website in the description box below so you can get the design space file, which does require Cricut access in order to cut. Thank you for watching. Bye.